Today we're digging another basement here. You see we got some rock. So it's taking a lot longer to dig this hole. It's only 1,500 square foot, but it's about 2 o'clock now, I think. So we've been going for, let's see, about 4.5 hours. This is all the farther we've gotten. Still have all that to dig out, and then we got the garage footers over here. So it's definitely going to be an 8-hour dig, maybe 9-hour dig. That's how we get done. So not looking forward to this. Plus, then where we're at, it took us an hour and a half to drive here too. So not looking forward to that ride home. But all done here. I just watched Dad out. It's pretty treacherous here trying to make this turn with that semi. So we got our natural drain dumping out right here. Builder only pays us to put in 50 foot, but we do daylight it. So this shale rock, we had 8 hours of digging. This shale rock, normally we dig this basement in 4.5 to 5 hours, but because of the rock, it took us that much longer. So that's it. So it shaped up pretty nice. And yeah, so now we got a long 1.5 hour ride home. So I'll see you on the next one.